sa yeming la te zung la ge ye ani ye de ma zhen de chu ge ge zhe li lo zhen ko la ma ani de xie ha tu de xue ye xue oh ya an de ne tong man de la an zhe ge zhen chu ge zhe li lo de na lo zhen tang bu de ka re si na chemical reaction and equations. Chemical reactions and equations is the first chapter in our class 10 syllabus. Yeah, any chemical reaction the equation di ko la man chu ma chang nye la an man chu ki de lo chen di nang lo la any ning du ka yo de ni kan chu nyen xue yi the brief overview of the chapter. Writing chemical formula. Chemical formula तो जो खाली स्टील में इन्हें chemical equation तो जो खाली स्टील में balancing chemical equation. Chemical equation is a balance condition. And then the types of chemical reaction. Writing chemical formula, writing chemical equation, balancing chemical equation, and types of chemical reaction. Those are the she and the she did not know. And then also the delicate in a chick, yeah, young ones on June 2 only sick chemical life. Chemical. There's a chemical and a hard. What is chemical? So the ones in the market to share chemical in the hardware. Yeah, chita chemical that is an answer is symbol of Harasam there's na they yeah some of the metals cause of core there chemical that will end up passing on to be tangy over there. Chemicals the basic building blocks of all the elements. All the elements all the matter. Matter any elements, the atoms that these elements, atoms and molecules, compounds, generally we call them as a chemical. Element atom molecule compound chemical chemical any atom down, element down, any compound oh, that indicate chemicals dige. That chemical dige ya group chain any any all the matters are made up of chemicals. Chemicals yeah. That matter pena chashana negi kopto chikshu this chalk dealer. Chalk dealer na this chalk is also made up of chemicals. Chalk the chemical chalk the compound in a chemical race. Chemical that is a pure substance called oh, chalk the substance and then chalk the is double calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate like the compound rare na 100% क्या था calcium carbonate like the compound rare जैसा the calcium carbonate नंगोला यानी खारी योरे इस जिसने तीन नंगोला कार्बन योरे ऑक्सीजन योरे तीने calcium 제상 어쩌기 되는 가래 요래스나 calcium carbonate 가래를 두버려서 되잖아요. 카본당, 오크시젠당, calcium 오 되게는 두버려서 calcium 제 carbon 제 oxygen 되게 가래서는 these are elements or you can say atoms. 제상 대조를 먼저 가는 것은 chemical 그래서 오케이. 제상 가진이 chemical을 가래서는 chemical은 제레스. 제 되게 가래 제 되게 가래 두기래서는 아주 예윤이 요대 풍어부 탐제 두기래서 만주에 엔제를 두버려서 케미컬을 두버려서 딜러드서는 아주 가래 소열을 두서는 저분기 소열에서 셀 그러봐 and cells are further made up of molecules 셀 되게 딜마 가래 두버려서나 molecules and molecules 나오는 아주게 and molecules 던도 마 되게 가래를 두버려서 두서는 elements and elements to 가래를 두버려야 돼 atom 두버려서 타면 타돔디 가래 용서 atoms 되게 돼요 제자 element atom molecule compound like that 저 창라 먼저 가는 것이나 chemical 그래서 chemical 시에서와 야 얘네 먼저 이 chemical formula 나 먼저 이 얘네 파 플러스나 chemical formulas 제기 초가스 chemical formula를 뜻은 제기 초가스 제자 chemical formula 되게 딱 디테일을 먼저 비장하고 되지나 chemical formula는 가르래스 chemical formula 뜻은 we have learned this chemical formula in our early classes okay so chemical formula for example here calcium carbonate itself it is a say compound the compound and if we write down this calcium carbonate in the form of its symbol then we call it as a formula calcium carbonate like the calcium is Ca carbonate is CO3 calcium is basic radical carbonate is acidic radical 제상 안쪽에 D기 valency 등 안쪽 파서 neutralize chapter china equal chapter china and you are going to get a compound which is totally neutral compound like the khatu yine and neutral chikoate negative neutral is charge positive maimba negative maimba and charge tak tak parani chipa charge ki shu chi ju mangnu chipa inde chila neutrals yeah calcium carbonate the calcium carbonate like the khares it is a formula of compound calcium carbonate ki formula chap calcium carbonate ki choga chap जैसा calcium carbonate दूसरी that is ये पहले carbon यूज़ ना carbon दुआ oxygen यूज़ तो oxygen oxide atom सुन दुआ यानी calcium यूज़ ना तो जन calcium दे दुआ यानी जैसा दिगे basic atom दिगे की ड्रूबे की यानी compound दिला मतलब कि calcium carbonate ना तो जन को खर्च आवरे ना formula आवरे chemical formula of calcium carbonate CaCO3 ला यदि chemical formula of calcium carbonate all those chemicals that then she chemical formula la thendo khashi ni tensu la na penachashana manchu so the kharil to is calcium phosphate la disane calcium phosphate calcium phosphate calcium Ca that Ca as you know the valency of calcium is 2 calcium ki valency 2 into Ca plus 2 basic radical acidic radical basic radical dige ganjo jindu dumane chen jang yore and dine ya ching gyabal jang yore and kubala ta pe yabu chini right? Manju Chang Yu Zan, and Tarini get to Tuzu Mambusti gave me, and says the Tensus like just calcium is a positive radical, right? And there is basic radical, phosphate is PO4. Phosphate it is acidic radical, and the valency of phosphate is -3. Just a phosphate the khora kharchas na acidic radical. Just a radical the valency kharchas 3. That data the valency ni the cheaper ways. Calcium की valency 2 रे, phosphate की valency 3 रे. जैसा कुनी valency दी negative चिक दिमाग आदुआ, जैसा कुनी neutral चास रे ऐसा, neutral चास रे ना neutral चास मसों. यार बेना चास है ना calcium दी की valency 2 positive रे, carbonate दी 2 negative रे. जैसा negative गासा negative 2 दांग positive 2 नी कोरानी चिकी न्यूबती, यानी Say, neutral charge, neither positive nor negative charge. Then she said that they was so good to say, Tanganzuki Sudus and a Karsuya Yores, Yamang Anzuki, loaded the Zunamola, cross multiply chi, cross multiply that valency, then you want to come to cross multiply chi. And the chick with Junze Kares Lata, Junze Kares Lavresina, calcium negative, calcium soon kill but a calcium soon kill what a gene, that positive charge thing on the Hatsulate, lake to Nigam Nitom, she got a Nitom, and troop chain, and the positive charge the Hatsul to troop chain to ask that phosphate the day of me kill, phosphate is a dear me kill, and negative charge young Hatsuchaso, young troop chaso, Sungal, Sundom, not troop. Jesa calcium sumla phosphate ni nyam to do china kuni ni positive maiba negative maiba neutral compound shall to us that the neutral compound the kind of sovereign tubulous and calcium there sum you do calcium take around sum che phosphate is a PO4 like dikora ganza the PO4 P it is a phosphate atom the phosphorus atom then oxide oxygen atom then oxygen atom sheet the phosphorus atom chick the any namdo do radical chick sheet is another cohora young mo chicken thing needed queen yamdo tube reject them then they got the knee of sonza they'll need our edge. Chesa calcium phosphate formula in the chart. The calcium phosphate formula. Chemical formula of calcium phosphate is Ca3PO4 whole 2 times. Only on the calcium phosphate chemical formula. And there are negative how to write a chemical formula. Chemical formula theta. So that what is it? Tensu Lamani, Chita did some lots and a lot of Ludi, non sabbath. Oh, yeah. That in a chemical formula. That in a Manzuki dinner this Tandoga lots and the Mamut team that's Hina. Writing a chemical formulas. That chemical formula condition. Now, writing a chemical formula. Chemical formula condition. Tube you may. Only chemical formula condition tube you may and the shoes in the Tagarande, Tando Niki love the China Manzuki Bella, sodium oxide, sodium and plus any oxide reducing O the oxide reducing the needle. Need you do the chemical formula condition related, calcium, sodium oxide condition related. Sodium oxide condition related. Yang there are positive charge sheet, negative charge ni. Chesa negative charge manga has sodium yanguchi godoa. Chesa Nazuki sodium oxide, sodium valency 1 in batang, oxygen valency 2 in sodium oxide neutral charge. The neutral condition sodium did positive did ni the oxygen chignum to teach it. 2 positive charge, 2 negative charge. Neutral charge. Anyone to get sodium oxide formula condition related addition. That did not see oxygen nganzu ke tena pera silicon dioxide condition thiugure ani pera shashana nganzu ke di khare khare labata chine compound condition labata chine ra zinc carbonate condition magnesium hydroxide condition calcium hydroxide condition densu sangma thidan dige nganzu ke chemical writing a chemical formula dige chama ani changme gi nima dinye gi khare zinda nangola ra 장착 송자는 얘기들이 되라 망보시럽 김에 대 대수의 기체도 되는 수이 다디네 balancing chemical equation 아니요 chemical equation 컨디션 chemical equation is 가려야지. chemical equation 제기념차로 먼저 chemical equation. 다 먼저 chemical equation condensed chemical equation material and manzuki karshim why we have to write down this chemical equation is that we should know about the chemical reaction. Equation 2 is chemical reaction. We have to explain about the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction into two level and come to chemical equation matica Karchensina Niela Chig Yobati, Chisu, Shabachi, Yutu. And co equation you form the motica merva. The Euro together on to Halabosna, any chemical reaction. Yes, chemical reaction. Chemical reaction books chemical reaction you call a cover of stone chemical reaction after the Gomian South. Gomian South careful, Namsha Gundu Matsuki, Yuna, right, Matsuki. 통되어진 자 any to do shana and the chemical equation to do any on the zukola la ding to chemical reaction level then 얘기 깨지 시에 상황 상황도 좀 보지요 and 제가 이 겁도 쉬어버다 지나 계승은 좀 오마치 남시 차오지기 뒤줄라 이렇게 뒤줄라 any 강박에 남로라 any 샤샤도 지나 오마디 가르치기 됐어 daily life situation like keeping a milk at room temperature during summer. Yerdu koptula manzugi room temperature oma shabdu karching oma thola dura milk will get sold. Cheza oma thola dura karching dura. Niela yode kardo milk. Niela yode milk. Milk the temperature that for tobushi high. High temperature, higher temperature. Or the naked temperature, milk exposed chocolates. When this milk gets exposed to high temperature, this milk will get sold. So, all this Omadi Hachago shade is. Just on Oma tolerable is like the Nanzuki, all those in Chabas. Had the 오마 토나 침버다지 니 오마를 배웠어. 뒤어들 봐. 오마 토나 침버다지는 오마 말했어. 제가 오마 토나 침대버디 딱 뭐 샘바지다. 오마디 규치거다. 게 용도 가서 보고 봐. 드네야 상론치는 가서 미 가래 침부차. 제가 미 임을 찍고 있는 게 미고 규르도. 드는 시체니 안다 데라 오마 임을 찍고 있는 게 오마디 백보라 같이 왔으나 오마디 숙 샘바지는 봐. 규치. the big chemical reaction has taken place. Chemical reaction takes place. That chemical reaction. This we have learned that chemical changes. 만족이 가르고는 장애에 대해서는 chemical changes 거를 장애. chemical change 되게 Yemani, Zindanganzu, Tropo Dumbaninganzu, chemical change, physical change, Jangarwa, physical change, Penachashapta China, any folding of clothes, any melting of ice, or the Zutanganzu Kacharsana, chemical, physical change. Dinanshi burning of paper, Dinanshi rusting of iron, iron. Jadi, Harinam to teach him moist air. Jadi, moist air Yamdola, any exposed chapter, moist air Tengla, and Jadi, Tengla, moist air you such a Jadi chapter, Jadi, Harsitu and Zaka. Jadi kharil rust. Now iron oxide, rusting of iron is called as iron oxide. In higher classes we will learn that this is a basic iron oxide. Right? What did you do? And that goes for any standard condition, rust charge iron oxide. Just iron oxide any karcha charge air chiporula any react any kokachas rust yourselves. And it is a chemical change. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. Nima Jang Savara. Chesanga Tensu for science, it is very simple subject. The things is that you have to be very much familiar with all the science terms and science concepts. Science concept, science terms, familiar science becomes a little chatter. Chesa science Chesa iron the moist area rust. That rust the oxygen reverse, water reverse, oxygen water game. Then one rust the iron reverse, iron game. That they were a completely new substance. Substance bad sour chile. Any substance sour condition by undergoing chemical change in chemical properties. Chemical properties like Roj Mato and Kokarchabs, permanent change. Chesa would indicate change we call it as a chemical change. Right? Any chemical change, whenever there is a chemical change taking place around our surrounding, they are considered as a chemical reaction. And if we write down this chemical reaction, then it will form a chemical equation. If you explain this chemical reaction in the shorthand form, and we call it as a chemical equation. Chemical equation. Then any penetration grapes get fermented, food is cooked. Then food gets digested in our food. Respiration. They get some chemical change. Chemical change, then chemical change, certain chemical reaction has taken place. Just a chemical reaction and chemical change are equivalent term. Just in our first period, let me give it